Boom shakalaka, what is going on, everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and welcome to this Thursday episode of the news. We are going to talk about Bitcoin not being able to find support of $7,000, breaking back down underneath. Also, Yahoo selling crypto, and we got some other updates about Cardano, Zcash, some other stuff. But before we get into things, guys, little red markets today. It was big green yesterday. Big Red today. Kind of happens. Big Red. That kind of like the gum. This episode is brought to you by Big Red Gum. But before we get into things, guys, just wanted to say thank you to everyone subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Thank you to everyone nuking the shit out of the like button. Left armless today. And if you want to find out how to win one of these shirts, make sure you comment on this video and every other video to enter for your chance to win. Also, pause the video, read the disclaimer. Not an expert, not telling you what to do with your money. Don't be a retard. Duh. So, today, market cap back down to $221 billion. It seems to be finding a spot between $200 billion, $250 billion. Seems to be sitting there for the past couple months. Bitcoin dominance back up 53.6%. Now, if we take a look, Bitcoin 68.83, broke under the $7,000 mark. Ethereum still under 300 at 275, XRP at 32 cents, Bcash at 530, and EOS at 585. Let's see, today the big gainers, Dogecoin for the win, absolutely. Dogecoin pump today, also nulls Bitcoin Diamond. What is the big losers? Nano, IOTA, Wanchain, and Loopering. So, taking a look at things, we've been in this little ascending path for a few days, okay? Looks like we're bottoming out on it. Right here where we're sitting right now, the 68.50 level, we've seen previous resistance there, and this has been some support-ish movement there. I didn't even look further back. Yeah, boom, look at that. This is an area where we find a lot of support and resistance. So we'll have to see what happens with the Bitcoin price today. Also, guys, looking at the MACD down here, it looks like the histogram is coming back down, so it may be closing up, maybe time to shift positions back from Bitcoin to stable tokens. But keep an eye on that. Not financial advice, not telling you what to do. This is just what I do for fun. So, today, Bitcoin price update. Price enabled to stay above $7,000 amidst news of tightening EU butthole regulations and future contract expiration. I was just seeing if you're listening, that's all. That's all. I know my voice is just so soothing and you forget to listen and pay attention. But anyways, Bloomberg reports that the finance ministers from EU member states are scheduled to meet in the first week of September to discuss the way forward as concerns virtual currency regulations in the region. So the EU wants to know how to best make money from this and protect the common person who doesn't understand money yet invests their money. It just doesn't make sense. I mean, okay, fine. It happened. It has to happen. Regulations will happen because they need to protect people because that's what governments do. They protect everybody. So instead of no child left behind, every child is left behind. That's what's happening in America right now. Also, the CME BTC future contracts are set to expire on Friday. Yes, Friday. So, as we've seen previously, when future contracts expire, the price of Bitcoin drops for up to 6 days leading to that expiration and then goes up for up to 6 days after. So, we'll see if that happens. Also, our market is being manipulated. There's this article in Reddit. Our market is being manipulated every single day, which is massively impacting volatility. And it's true. In this book that I was reading, the Altcoin Trader's Handbook, basically all of the price action we see in cryptocurrency is just like a well manipulated market, a well done pump and dump, that type of thing. Okay, because the markets are so small, because there are such big whales, it happens here. It happens in traditional finance markets. But I gotta say, special thanks to my man A Bit Boy, because he told me he's helping me learn how to use Twitter. I'm a total noob when it comes to Twitter. But it turns out that the market right now is being manipulated by a 22-year-old developer who just flew out to Vegas and ate two porn stars' ass. So that's what caused that giant green candle a couple days ago. It's like all over the news on Twitter. We don't see it on regular things because everybody's blaming CNBC, but this is actually the reason for it. So I guess we need to get more developers out there eating more ass, and then we'll see more green candles. That's what will really start the price spike. So, any volunteers out there, just hand up, Anyways, This is okay. So worst episode ever. I think I'm doing today. Can't get much worse than this. Certainly can't. Bitcoin transaction value reaches 1.3 trillion as it passes PayPal and Discover. Yes, the transaction value. So normally look at Bitcoin transaction volume. The volume is not that much. It's slow. People may not be using it, but the transaction value. Take a look at this bad boy. This is an awesome graph. Okay. We look at the annual Bitcoin transaction value in US dollars. Guess what? In 2013, it was 38 billion, 50 billion, 45 billion, 128 billion, 1 trillion, 1.3 trillion in 2018. And we're not even done 2018. But we've already surpassed Discover. We've already passed PayPal, coming up on MasterCard, Visa, and UnionPay, which is one of the bigger ones out there for all you Chinese fellows out there. But it's coming up. We're only an order of magnitude below Visa. So if we get to 13 trillion, 10x this, the market goes up 10 times and we see Bitcoin. Okay. If we have $1 trillion market cap at the end of this year, we're surpassing Visa in Bitcoin transaction volume. The NASDAQ is ready to list and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos. Now, this should be no surprise to anybody with ICE is backed. But they say, doing the math here, look for regulatory bodies to provide guidance in Q1 of 2019 and an announcement and a coin exchange to be either announced or launched in Q2 of 2019. It looks like everything is setting up for February of 2019. That's when everything is coordinating for the next big bull market. So, not financial advice, but what I'd be doing is stocking up for February 2019 when thing goes bananas. Yahoo, this is big news. Yahoo, 113 million Yahoo Finance US users can now buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bcash, and Litecoin. That's right, crypto is spreading like a virus. Okay, Yahoo has partnered with Trade It Inc. so you can trade with Yahoo Finance using your online broker. So for most people who are used to just using an online broker to buy and sell stocks, they're going to be able to do that with traditional cryptocurrencies. Okay, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bcash, and Litecoin. It's crazy, but that's 115 million users who can now get into the market. Simple as that, who may already have a Yahoo account. They're on there all the time. They may not have heard of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, or they may have heard of it and thought it was a joke. Now it's on Yahoo Finance. Now they can buy it. That's going to bring a lot more people in. I'm telling you, all the news is looking good. Cardano and Zcash in the news today. US dollar markets available on Bittrex. So they got US dollar pairs on Bittrex. Bittrex now you can go US dollars with many different cryptos. Today, Cardano and Zcash. Do we see any price action because of that? Nah, I don't think so. Let's take a look. Cardano down 8.28% now. Zcash down 4 point something percent. Nah, didn't see any price action, but that's good news. Bittrex is doing a lot of US dollar pairs. EOS in the news today. Dan Larimer came out. He was talking again about his baby named EOS. Has a couple announcements about EOS. A London hackathon on September 22nd. The Warbly airdrop on September 7th. And they're having their own DEX. Yes, EOS is having their own decentralized exchange coming soon. Pretty cool. Decentralized exchanges are the way of the future. Basic Attention Token has crossed a new major milestone. So they have the Brave browser that some people use. I used it a little bit, but then I stopped using it just because it wasn't as easy as using other browsers. So I stopped using it, even though I could earn money doing it or whatever. It just, it's got to be easy. I'll be honest. When we get adoption, full-scale adoption of cryptocurrencies, it's going to be when people don't even know they're using them. When I use Brave, I know I'm using it. So I stopped using it. However, they have hit a milestone. They've reached over 10 million downloads with its privacy-focused web browser. Oh, it does have privacy enabled. So maybe because privacy is important and stuff like that, so maybe I'll go back to it eventually. Also, you got to remember, Basic Attention Token is one of the tokens that Coinbase is taking a look at using. So potentially, we could see it on Coinbase. Now, yesterday, there was a curious phenomena that happened. Okay, we saw this little X-Rapid Ripple, totally not a security, right? Whatever. Billions worth of Ripple transferred in seconds. Less than a penny. Is Ripple the big fish? So yesterday, if you remember, there was a transaction for 2.1 billion Ripple that was worth about $740 million. It was like 15% of the Ripple supply. Maybe it was even larger, something like that. But we were like, what happened? Why? I mean, what are they doing? Why is nobody talking about this? Well, it turns out it was a well-coordinated marketing effort. Totally 100%. And you know what? I ended up reporting on it, so mea culpa. But yeah, so they transferred almost $1 billion of Ripple for less than a penny. That's their marketing. That's what they're doing. Ripple. Last little piece. Check this out. BRICS countries signed blockchain agreements. So we all know that blockchain is going to be the future. Other people may not know that yet, but we all know that stuff. Well, check this out. The state-owned development banks of China, Russia, Brazil, India, and South Africa signed an agreement last month at the 10th BRICS Summit in Johannesburg to collaborate on blockchain research in the context of the development of the digital economy. So here are 5 superpowers that are working together to kind of build blockchain for the digital economy. How come the U.S. is not in there? That's just my question. Probably because regulation and Donald Trump wouldn't want to be in a picture with all these people. I don't know why, but I mean, they are getting together to build blockchain. So that's good stuff. That's good for development, good for us in the future. I just wonder, why is the U.S.? Because maybe then the name would be different. It would be like UBRICS. Yeah, or BRICSU, or BRICUS, or BRICS. Because then they would have to change the name. Duh. So, that is it for the news today. The big news today, basically, Bitcoin back under $7,000. We have to see what's it going to do in this channel. Keep an eye, see if it breaks through the $6,800 area. Also watch the MACD, all that fun stuff. Also, if you guys can fly more shitcoin devs, I didn't say shitcoin devs, BitLord said that. If you can fly more devs or YouTubers or whatever out to just eat porn stars' asses in Vegas, that would help the market go up. So, for those of you who want to come say hi to me, today I will be at Coinvention in Philadelphia. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed, I will. So come say hi to me there today and tomorrow. You can buy a ticket, links down in the description. Also, this Sunday, I'm going to Darlington, where it's going to be like a NASCAR awesome event. All the old NASCAR people are going to be there. All the cars are going to be done awesome. There are 3 cryptocurrency NASCARs out there. Monumental. That's pretty awesome. So crypto is taking over NASCAR. If you guys have a crypto or know somebody who has a crypto that wants to be seen on NASCAR, contact me or contact Crypto Rusty. His number's up there. Also, guys, I'm going to be at the Litecoin Summit. That's pretty cool with Charlie Lee, none other than Charlie Lee. Yes, I'll get to meet the man, say hi to him, and check it out. They put my picture on here. Boom, Crypto Love. Look at that. With Miggity Miner, Beatles, some other people that I know. All right, Crypto Fiend, Cryptonauts, BritVR. I thought that BitBoy would be on there, but I guess not. Not, maybe, I don't know. And then, lastly, guys, I've been having fun using Signal Profits, which is Jake from I Love Crypto's crypto trading signals. It's really good, making between 10% and 60% on each trade, working pretty well. So, so far, I mean, recently it's been like 22 for 22 trades. Things may not always be like that. But guys, if you want to check it out, you can sign up. There's a link down in the description. I think it's like the first link. It says signals. $7 for 2-week trial. So check that out. It's pretty cool. I've been having fun with it. See if you have fun with it too. Lastly, guys, let's give away a shirt. So we had one episode yesterday. Just one episode. We don't need a random number generator. That's right. Just one episode. And the winner of this will be... Remember, guys, if you win a shirt, email me, and I will send you the shirt anywhere in the world. 149 comments. Oh, my goodness. You guys are commenting. You guys want to win shirts. I want to give you shirts because I love these shirts. I can't wait to run into people wearing my shirts. That's not freaking Hoku KO. You already won. I'm going to do it again until somebody who has not won does this. I'm pretty sure Hoku KO did. He just comments. He's just going to collect like 1 billion shirts. Just 1 billion shirts for Hokukeyo, but congratulations on winning twice. That's the second winner this week who's won twice. I don't know what's going on with this random thing. Yes, Jameson Churchill. Great beard. Oh, great comment, Jameson. Thank you. Yes, the beard I think soon enough it's going to grow legs and just kind of run off into the woods, into over, you know, that stuff. But Jameson, email me, email my about page, win a shirt. Guys, the rest of you, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you later. Tomorrow, oh, get this. For tomorrow, I'm doing a video on the MACD trading strategy in case you guys want that because, yeah, it's been fun. So, love you very much. Peace.